Hi friends, here we are again back at the North Castle. Earlier this week in church, we listened to the story of Jesus walking on the water. And I showed you an experiment with the tangerines and the water to demonstrate buoyancy. I want to demonstrate that again today, but in a little bit different way. So this time I have some cherry limeade flavored sparkling water. You don't have to have a flavor like that. You could use 7-Up or even just soda water, plain soda water, whatever you can find at the store. This just happened to be on sale. I also have some raisins, and I have these two containers. I'm actually going to open my sparkling water in a bowl in case it bubbles over. Yay, no bubbling over. All right. Now I'm going to pour this sparkling water into these two containers. Just about like that. And I'm going to get them actually pretty full here. You can see them fizzing in the containers already. Okay. Put the lid back on in case I tip that over. And then I'm going to drop a few raisins into each container. A couple in here. And a couple in here. And what you may see happening is that the raisins will start to dance. So we put another one in here. We've got one floating over here, and one that you probably saw while I was dropping the raisins in here went up and down while I was talking to you. So what is happening is the gas that's being put off by the soda water is gathering around the wrinkly skin of the raisins. And what it's doing is it's creating these air pockets and it's making them more buoyant. So then the raisins raise to the top. And then what happens is once the raisins reach the surface of the sparkling water, the bubbles pop and then they go back down. So there you see another one. And so this is another way that we're demonstrating some buoyancy. Try this if you can at home. If you happen to have a bottle of clear soda or some sparkling water, you can put it in. This is about an 8-ounce container, but just put it in a clear drinking glass so that you can see the raisins going up and down. And try some different situations. I actually tried this with some sour raisins at home, and it didn't work. And I didn't know why at first, but as it turned out, these were just plain raisins, and the sour raisins had some acid in them that was reacting with the base that's in this sparkling water solution. And so it actually bubbled up at first, but then those sour raisins stayed at the bottom. But try some different situations. Does it work the same if you use big raisins or yellow raisins? And if it does, why do you think that is? Friends, we have faith that Jesus walked on water, and we have faith that these raisins are going to go up and down because you saw it happen right here on camera. But Jesus is actually calling us to believe in things that we can't necessarily see. And when we power up with faith, we know that Jesus can get us out of some pretty sticky situations. Have a great week, friends. I'll see you next time. That worked pretty good, huh? The raisins don't do much for the cherry limeade, but it does taste pretty good. Yep, we're drinking science.